Hello students, welcome to maths class. I am Shaista, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you very interesting chapter. As you can see here, the front page, okay? So, can you guess which chapter? Yes, you are correct. Chapter number 3, circle. You all must be familiar with circle, okay? Every year you have learned this chapter. So, this year in your 10th standard, we will learn this chapter in detail with the help of your previous knowledge. Are you all ready to learn? Yes, my dear students. So, let's start chapter number 3. Here, when we draw a circle, this point is known as the center of a circle. Okay, you must be familiar about this point. Now this line, okay, this is known as a diameter. Half of the circle is known as a diameter. A line segment which pass through from the center of the circle and whose both the end points lie on the circle is called the diameter. Is that clear? Now as you can see here, both the side end point lie on this circle is known as a diameter. Is that clear, my dear students? Now here, as you can see here, this portion is known as a chord. Okay, so chord says that a line segment whose both the end points lie on the circle is called the chord. Okay, is called the chord of the circle. दैट मीन्स लाइन सेगमेंट जहाँ पर एंड पॉइंट लाई होता है उसे हम कॉर्ड कहते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, डायमीटर इज द बिगेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल. डायमीटर जो रहता है ना वो बिगेस्ट कॉर्ड रहता है सर्कल का. इज दैट क्लियर? Now here when I draw here two circles, so here the congruent circle have same radius. Always remember, कॉन्ग्रेंट सर्कल जो होते हैं उसके रेडियस कैसे रहते हैं? सेम रेडियस रहते हैं. एज यू कैन सी ये ब्लू सर्कल एंड रेड सर्कल, दे बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रेंट सर्कल एंड दे हैव सेम रेडियस. ये हमें लाइव एग्जांपल साइकिल में देखने मिलता है. जो साइकिल के व्हील्स रहते हैं वो कैसे रहते हैं? कॉन्ग्रेंट रहते हैं, कॉन्ग्रेंट सर्कल. और वहाँ पर ये जो रेडियस है वो भी इक्वल रहता है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ व्हेन आई ड्रॉ हियर वन सर्कल, दिस इज नोन एज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल एंड इनसाइड द सर्कल वन मोर इन सर्कल इज ड्रॉन. नाउ सर्कल हैविंग सेंटर बट डिफरेंट रेडियस आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आप देख सकते हो कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल ऐसा होता है जहाँ पर सेंटर सेम रहता है लेकिन रेडियस जो रहते हैं वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होते हैं. यू मस्ट बी फेमिलियर विद दिस गेम. ये एक एरो डार्ट गेम है. ये आपने बहुत बार प्ले किए होंगे. ठीक है, सो ये एरो डार्ट गेम पर क्या होता है? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सर्कल्स होते हैं. ओके, तो उनका रेडियस भी डिफरेंट रहेगा. इन सर्कल में देर आर n number of circles are there. Okay, when you play dart game na, that time you must be observe this thing. Okay, आपने ये एरो वाले गेम में, एरो वाला जो डार्ट गेम आता है इसमें आपने कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल को बहुत टाइम देखा भी होगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर. When we draw here two circle, they both are intersecting each other. Now here you can see 2 points. Coplanar circle, they are coplanar circle having 2 points in common are called intersecting circle. They both are intersect with each other and they are coplanar circle. My dear students, on the base of this thing we will solve here practice set 3.1. Question number 1 says that in the adjoining figure the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB, here line AB. Now here you can see this point C and here this is 6 centimeter and point AB. Okay, point AB is the tangent at A, at point A. Answer the following questions. We have to give here answer on the base of this figure. So solution. First question says that what is the measure of angle CAB and why? Okay, here we have to find measure of angle CAB. As you can see that measure of angle CAB is 90 degree. So point C is the center of the circle. Point C is the center of the circle. So we will write here given. Okay, my dear students. So here line AB is the tangent to the circle and segment AC is the radius. Okay, segment AC is the radius of the circle. Now the measure of angle CAB is 90 degree. As you can see, this is a right angle. So tangent theorem, as per tangent theorem, angle CAB is 90 degree. Is that clear, my dear students? Now second sub question, what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? So here answer would be like this. Radius is length AC is 6 centimeter given in question. As you can see here, this radius is 6 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter. As you know that this AC is 6 centimeter which is given in question. Now distance of the center of the circle from the tangent. Okay, from this tangent, ये जो tangent है ना उससे distance कितना है, तो वो भी 6 centimeter है. Is that clear? So distance of the center of the circle from the tangent is equal to the radius. Okay, they both are equal. So here distance भी कितना है, 6 centimeter है. So we can write here the distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. Let's solve sub question 3. Same tangent and same circle and same center of the circle and same distance, okay, which was there in question. Now here as you know that CA is 6 centimeter. So distance of AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find distance of BC. Okay, now if AB is 6 centimeter, then we have to find this hypotenuse side, that means BC. So here we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. As you can see here, ये 90 degree है. Okay, तो Pythagoras theorem है ना, मैंने सिखाया ना आपको, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. That we will use here. That means BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now we know that कि AB की value 6 है और AC की value भी 6 है. So 6 square plus 6 square. So what we can do here? 2 multiply by 6 is 36. So here 2 into 6 square. So here BC. अभी आप लोग स्मॉल नहीं हो, स्मॉल किड्स नहीं हो, अभी आप लोग ग्रोन अप स्टूडेंट हो गए हो. तो अभी आपको इस तरीके से लिखना होगा 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर. सो 2 टाइम्स 6 है, इसलिए 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 स्क्वायर. BC इज इक्वल टू √2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 स्क्वायर. 6 बाहर चला गया और √2 अंदर आ गया. सो डिस्टेंस ऑफ BC इज इक्वल टू 6 √2 centimeter. Is that clear? Now here sub question 4. What is the measure of angle ABC? Here we have to find angle ABC. Now we know that 6 is equal to 1 upon √2 bracket 6 √2. So we will apply this condition here. In triangle CAB, AC is equal to AB is equal to 1 upon √2 BC. Now here ABC is equal to 45 degree. अगर अभी आपको 9th स्टैंडर्ड का कन्वर्स थियरम याद होगा तो आपको पता होगा एंगल ABC अगर 45 डिग्री है तो यहाँ पर ये कन्वर्स 45 45 90 का थियरम यूज़ हो रहा है. Okay, now let's solve question number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle from point R. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment, the circle and end. Okay, if OR is 10 centimeter and radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, then we have to find here. Okay, so here on this circle, this is the this is the center point, O is the center point. Now here MR and MN is the tangent, okay, RM and RN is the tangent, and here ON and OM is the radius part, and they both are equal. Then we have to solve this question. We have to solve this question one by one. So question 1 says that what is the length of each tangent segment? So here we have to find the length of each tangent segment. As you all know that point O is the center of the circle which is given, and segment RN and segment RM, okay, they both are tangent. So segment RN are the tangent to the circle. We are solving here above part. So here angle OMR is equal to angle ONR. See this blue color part and see this green color part. Okay, they both are right angle 90 degree. Angle OMR is equal to angle ONR. Tangent theorem. Now we are solving here first sub question. So in triangle OMR comma angle OMR is 90 degree. Now here we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. OR square is equal to OM square plus RM square. OM square plus RM square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem we will apply here. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now OR value is 10. So 10 square. OM value is 5. So 5 square. And RM value is, we don't know, so keep RM like that. So 10 tens are 100, 5 5s are 25, RM square remain as it is. Okay, so 100 minus 25 is 75. Now as you all know that there is no perfect root for 75. So we will write like this 5 root 3 सेंटीमीटर. लास्ट क्लास में मैंने आपको LCM मेथड सिखाया है, वो इसमें यूज़ करो. 25 3 75 होते हैं, 25 का रूट है 5 और रूट 3 का कोई परफेक्ट रूट नहीं है, तो रूट 3 एज इट इज़. सो बट RM and RN are tangent draw from the external point R. Is that clear? Now as you can see here RM and RN they both are tangent drawn from the external point R, मतलब बाहर की तरफ से लिया है. सो RM जो है वो RN के इक्वल है, तो ये क्या है, tangent segment है. they both are tangent segment theorem. Is that clear my dear students? So we can write here, अगर RM 5 root 3 है तो RN भी 5 root 3 होगा, because they both are equal. Tangent segment theorem. Is that clear my dear students? Isn't it so simple to understand? Yes, आपको वही LCM की टेक्निक यूज़ करनी है जो मैंने आपको पहले सिखाई है. So in this way we have completed question number 2, sub question 1. Now let's solve another sub question. Here as you can see inside this circle, this same circle, same midpoint and same tangent we will use, okay, for question number 2. Now here as you know this is angle MOR, okay, or we can say angle here, the second one is RON, okay, RNO and RMO, okay. Now here both are 5 centimeter, radius are equal, okay. Now we are solving here sub question 2. This diagram is given in the question, okay, so no worry about it. What is the measure of angle MRO? Okay, here angle MRO, we have to find here angle R. Okay, so we will write like this. Answer, we know that 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 inside the bracket 10, because here MO is 5 and half of 10. Okay, so in triangle MOR, OM is equal to half of OR. Okay, so angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Okay, it is 30 degree. We will apply here 30 60 90 theorem, converse of 30 60 90 theorem. Okay, we will use this. As you can see here, angle MRO is 30 degree. So similarly we can show that angle NRO is equal to 30 degree. एंगल NRO कितना है आपको पता है? एंगल NRO जो है वो भी 30 डिग्री है, because they both are similar. Is that clear? Similarly we know that angle NRO is 30 degree. Now sub question 3, what is the measure of angle MRN? So here but angle MRN is equal to MRO plus angle NRO. Okay, we will add this two angle addition property. Okay, we will use here angle addition property. So here 30 plus 30 is 60 degree. So angle MRN is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree, which give us 60 degree. That means after adding from this, first we get here angle MRN is 60 degree. Isn't it so simple? हमें ये पता था कि एंगल MRO 30 है, तो अगर हमने इन दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो हमें तो मिल गया ना हमारा आंसर. Yes, my dear students. So in this way we have completed all the 3 sub questions of question number 2. Now let's solve question number 3. Let's read. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of a circle with center O. Here we have to prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well angle MON. Now here in this given diagram, as you can see here, this circle, now here two tangent, okay, and here center of the circle, same diagram we are using here. Okay, so here angle RM, okay, R here angle RMO and angle RNO, some similar figure we are taking here. So proof, what we are proof here, पॉइंट O इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. यहाँ पर ये सर्कल के अंदर पॉइंट O जो है ना वो सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल है. हम लोग फर्स्ट लाइन लिखेंगे. देन सेगमेंट RM और RN क्या है, टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल है. सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस, सेगमेंट RM एंड सेगमेंट RN आर टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल. दिस इज गिवन. ना सेगमेंट RM जो है ना वो कॉन्ग्रेंट है किसके, सेगमेंट RN के, यानी कि RM की वैल्यू और RN की वैल्यू इक्वल है. तो टेंजेंट कैसा है, टेंजेंट सेगमेंट theorem. We will apply here tangent theorem. They both are congruent. So now here in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, okay, they both are right angle OMR and triangle ONR. Okay, as you can see here. So here segment RM congruent to segment RN. RM और RN जो tangent है ना segment, वो एक दूसरे की congruent है. और segment OM जो है ना, OM वो कॉन्ग्रेंट किसके है, ON के है. क्वेश्चन पे भी आपको पता है ना, लास्ट टाइम 5 सेंटीमीटर दिया था. ओके, सो OM और ON क्या है, कॉन्ग्रेंट है. तो वो कैसा है, रेडियाई ऑफ द सेम सर्कल. ओके, दे आर रेडियाई ऑफ द सेम सर्कल, दे आर इक्वल. OM is congruent to ON. Okay, my dear students. So like this we have to write. Now segment OR congruent to segment OR. Okay, why? Because they both are congruent, common. Now you can see here common side. This OR is the common side for both the triangle. Both the triangle OR is the common side. So triangle OMR congruent to triangle ONR. OMR and ONR, they both are congruent triangles. See the green color part. Okay, as per SSS test of congruency, they both are congruent as per side test of congruency. Why? Because their three sides are congruent. Is that clear, my dear students? Now here angle MRO is congruent to angle NRO. MRO जो है ना, ये ब्लू कलर में देख सकते हो आप लोग, MRO, और ये ग्रीन कलर में अभी. ओके, दे बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रेंट एंगल. एंगल MRO कॉन्ग्रेंट है, किसके कॉन्ग्रेंट है, एंगल NRO के. दोनों ही 30-30 डिग्री के एंगल्स थे. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो एंगल MOR इज कॉन्ग्रेंट टू एंगल NOR, 60 डिग्री के एंगल्स. ओके, मैंने आपको बताया था ना प्रूफ करके. Same like that. Is that clear? Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. So here CACT test, यानी कि common angle common test. Okay, common angle common test we can write here. Okay, this is congruency test. Okay, so here segment OR bisect angle MRN and angle MON. In this way we prove it. सेगमेंट OR बाइसेक्ट है एंगल MRN के और एंगल MON के. Now let's solve question number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangent of the circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Okay, justify your answer. Okay, here we have to justify our answer that what is the distance between two parallel tangent. Okay, now this is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Now this is the radius part. Okay, so here two parallel lines CAA. Okay, this is the tangent part. So here two parallel line, as you can see here, two parallel line. Okay, now here AB and CD. We have to find the distance between of these two parallel line. So suppose let assume AB and CD are tangent to the circle. Okay, हम लोग ये assume करते हैं कि AB और CD जो है ना वो tangent है circle के, ऐसा हम लोग diagram draw करके assume करेंगे. Let O be the center of the circle OA. O जो है ना वो center of the circle है और OA, okay, and OC वो क्या है, रेडिया है. ओके, दोनों के कॉमन है वो दोनों भी. एंगल ओ ए बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल ओ सी डी 90 डिग्री. tangent theorem, we are applying here tangent theorem. Okay, so angle OAB plus angle OCD 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Yes, my dear students, as you can see, after adding we get here 180 degree, but they are pairs of interior angle formed by same side of the similar angle. Okay, so here as you can say that same side of the transversal AC. Okay, now AB is the parallel to CD, segment AB parallel to CD, and AC is the transversal side. Okay, so here AB, segment AB parallel to segment CD, we will write like this, segment AB parallel to CD. Okay, they both are parallel side. So this is the interior angle test. Okay, this is the interior angle test. Now as per here, now we will write AC is equal to OA plus OC. AC is equal to OA plus OC. Now AOC, okay, here you can see this, they both are 4.5, radius is 4.5 centimeter, equal radius, so 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9 centimeter. Okay, here we will club it both the side. So 4.5 plus 4.5 give us 9 centimeters. So AC is 9 centimeter. Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. So here we will write the distance between two parallel tangent of the circle is 9 centimeter. Isn't it so simple to justify this kind of a question? Yes, my dear students. So in this way we have completed question number 4. Here we have completed all the 4 questions of practice set 3.1. Now your task is to solve all these 4 questions including sub questions in your Maths 2 notebook. Is that clear, my dear students? And submit it your homework in Google Classroom. Enjoy learning. Thank you for watching my video.